Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to allow camera access on Snapchat for your Android device. If you're having trouble using the camera within the app, follow these simple steps to enable the necessary permissions. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in the app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and selecting the gear icon. Next, navigate to the Applications section within Settings. Here, you'll be able to search for the Snapchat application. Once you've found it, select the app to view more options. Within the Snapchat settings, look for the Permissions tab. Make sure that the camera permission is enabled. If it's already enabled, you should be good to go. However, if it's not enabled, you'll need to toggle the switch to turn on the permission. After enabling the camera permission, it's a good idea to restart the Snapchat app to ensure that the changes take effect. Simply close out of the app and reopen it to see if the camera functionality has been restored. And there you have it. By following these quick and easy steps, you can allow camera access on Snapchat for your Android device. Now you can get back to snapping and sharing with your friends without any interruptions. Thanks for watching.